Welcome to the cosmos, where the mysteries of the universe await. Today, we're going to explore one of the most mind-blowing objects in space, the neutron star. These tiny spinning giants have fascinated scientists for decades, and we're about to uncover their secrets. Get ready to have your mind blown. Neutron stars are the densest objects in the universe, formed from the collapse of massive stars. Only a few kilometers in diameter, but pack a punch with their intense magnetic fields and gravitational pull. The surface of a neutron star is a labyrinth of mountains and valleys, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees Celsius. But what makes neutron stars truly unique is their spin. Some rotate hundreds of times per second, creating powerful beams of radiation that sweep through space like cosmic lighthouses. Scientists have discovered that neutron stars even have a solid crust, composed of exotic matter that defies our understanding of physics. And there you have it, the secrets of neutron stars revealed. These cosmic wonders continue to awe and inspire us, reminding us of the vast mysteries waiting to be uncovered in the universe. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the heart of a neutron star. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing content.